See what we got here. We got best of football. See what happens. I'm trying to do this shit one-handed. Alrighty. Just arrived like just a little bit ago. Okay, the first one is Joe DeMilliar. Oh, fucking poop on it, man. Bowman. Autograph. Aaron Rodgers rookie card. Oh, just so sick. So sick. Just, it's authentic, but that's it. I'll take that all freaking day. Bowman. Or Leaf, best of football. Boom.